Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is dropping minus 6% more than 6% right now. That's quite rough. It is a very sharp drop. We have a lot to update as well because I didn't record any video last Thursday and Friday. So yeah, we have a lot to catch up. So seriously, just subscribe to this channel if you're new around here because I do daily videos or almost daily videos in this channel. If you are already my subscriber, click on the like button to support this channel. Thank you very much. Now, let's take a look at how Tesla is doing. It is dropping more than 6%. Is this a reasonable drop? In my humble opinion, it is not, and I will explain why. But it is reasonable to see Tesla dropping, okay? But not minus 6%. I think that's too much, and it does not make too much sense right now. If we analyze other stocks, Tesla is just different. I mean, we had a crystal clear support level at 759 over here, this black line. It was also the 21 EMA at the same time, so this was a crystal clear support level. We lost this support level just to fill the previous gap at $731, okay? So we dropped, we filled this little gap over here, and right now we don't see any crystal clear meaningful reaction, indicating that yes, Tesla could retest the 705, the previous support level, if we don't see any good reaction in the next few hours. I mean, today is almost over. We have less than half hour to go. But if we don't see crystal clear reaction tomorrow, then Tesla will probably retest the 700s again. And why is this drop too weird, too insane for Tesla, even for Tesla's standards? Today's beta is roughly 6, okay? Tesla is dropping 6 times more than the Nasdaq index. And when we analyze the S&P, we don't see that kind of drop. The S&P is still above its 21 EMA. Its EMA is working as a crystal clear support level for it right now. We are trying to retest again the support level. Okay, that's fine. But we don't see the beginning of a reversal chart or candlestick pattern on the S&P right now, indicating that yes, the index is probably doing a reaction to its 21 EMA, probably to retest the EMA as a resistance in the next few days. So that's so far the most likely scenario for the index. And that's okay, that's expected, because we also have a crystal clear resistance level over here, which might work as a resistance for us in the next few hours, tomorrow. But we have an open gap over here and another open gap over here. So it is reasonable to see the S&P going up a little bit more in the next few days, considering we did 6 bearish candlesticks in a row in the weekly chart, which is something we rarely do. I think it is about time for us to see good reaction on the S&P. And again, it is not extremely bearish like Tesla is. Tesla is losing support levels. It is filling the previous gap over here. The S&P, no, it is still in a short-term bull trend. We are trying to do higher highs, higher lows. The EMA, we are above the EMA, which is working as a support level. So yeah, to me, the situation is under control on the S&P. If we lose the 39.79 over here, then okay, we are going to resume the bearish structure. We are going to resume the bearish trend. Probably the S&P is going to drop even more. But as long as we stay above this point, all I can see is a possible inverted head and shoulders chart pattern, right? A bullish structure. So I don't see anything dangerous on the S&P right now. The Nasdaq is doing the exact same pattern. We also see an inverted head and shoulders. We see that it is working above the EMA. We kind of see a pennant chart pattern, right? It is quite weird. So it is still a little bit bullish, both indices, the S&P and the Nasdaq. When we look at Amazon, also above its EMA, trying to reverse, it's above the EMA for the first time since April 28 over here. So yeah, it is a quite meaningful structure. Apple is not above its EMA per se, but it feels like it's trying to do a flag pattern, right? We are not losing support levels. NVIDIA doing a similar pattern, we see a flag, a pennant pattern on NVIDIA. Google retested the EMA, is a little bit more bearish, but still, we don't see it crashing like Tesla is crashing, right? Tesla is actually losing support levels, it's far away from the 21 EMA. It feels like it is way more bearish than usual. This means that, okay, if we see a good recovery, probably Tesla will fly even higher than other stocks, and that's expected because Tesla has a higher beta. But so far, as long as we don't see any meaningful reaction, okay, let's just wait for a crystal clear bullish reaction. The gap area over here, Tesla is the only mega cap that is actually filling the previous gap, right? Apple, NVIDIA over here, they all have yet to fill their gaps. Tesla is not. If all of these stocks were to fill their gaps, probably Tesla is going to retest the 700s. It could even drop to lower levels, okay? So let's be prepared for this scenario. But right now, all we can assume is that we just filled a gap. We are trying to react, but we don't see a crystal clear reaction. So it feels like only tomorrow we will have a crystal clear answer. In the daily chart, we are dropping sharply. The volume is not the best. It feels like it is dropping because the market is a little bit weird, not because Tesla is a sell at this point. Since the S&P and the Nasdaq, they are both heading to their 21 EMAs, Tesla will probably fly to its 21 EMA as well. Again, in my humble opinion, we are gonna fill this gap over here, 858. That's the most important key point for us on Tesla in the short term, in the midterm, in fact, because, to be honest with you guys, because I don't see how Tesla is gonna react from here, but I do see a good reaction. I do believe this week is gonna be a positive week. This time, I firmly believe that. Last week, I thought it was going to be a positive week because statistically speaking, the indices were not looking that good. But right now, I firmly believe we're going to see a very good reaction. I mean, the S&P, the Nasdaq index only dropped more than 6 candlesticks in a row, I think twice since its inception, right? Since when it started in 1971, if I remember correctly. So yeah, I think these are good statistics for us to work with. I do believe we're going to see bullish reaction right now. Unfortunately, last week was not our week, but this week, if Tesla actually reacts above its gap area, it could easily trigger a bullish pivot point, and this would take us easily to 858. Easily to 858, okay? So yes, I am quite optimistic on Tesla. I think it could react nicely. Let's just wait for a proper movement, right? Let's not trade without confirmation. The 700s is our next support level. Let's work with that. Below that point, $680 is going to be our next support. So let's keep our eyes open at these key points. I will keep you guys updated every single day. So again, remember my friends, subscribe at this channel, click on the like button to support me. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.